The Americans and this elections, Nyamiya next year will expose a lot of prophets. What the trotto?
Election ebe expose asofo ne nkrofo be prepare election we. Me ka se nyame nkonkro animunyam se yento 2024 abanu enwie no ali ye behu omu anyame apagya wo mu pa ni wo mu nso ye behu se nyame nsa wo mu so pa enya no.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And then the baby Abraham from Prophet Kusi Appiah. Abrantia obey very popular during the election. No, na Oshem come say Baumia ena ebe winning. Our friend who say oya Baumia prophet. And see ma compile some few videos via open the door now. When you go to YouTube, you can check it. So I just want you to have a look at it and see how we see. As she said, in comma, she said, no crook anywhere bam. So I just want you to enjoy.
It was the base on election.
The election ya 12 you. The election there. Me nim the bet me adane election. Abano obe winning one touch. It your man say ya ne besi. Be anywhere best. Be anyone man a bit me assistant. No prophet, nobody can turn it. Continue. Me say a rather say Baumia be winning on the 9th of what? December. Appiah is the next president of Ghana. It is settled. We may say 50.9.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Appiah is winning hands down.
Nyamena de Baumia ba. No, Nyamena de Baumia ba.
Ah, Kofi. Nyamena de neba.
Would you be a fan same baby in Sinka? Say, then Israel Yankupon TFC. Baumia be winning 2024 election. And I one touch.
Me said the Nyamia can enter from everybody. Kofi, yes, I some city. At the Abana year pana on the 8th. No,
yeah.
We was so funny. We begin our NPP for me. We am gelab. All the love and the entire.
Get up, stand up, stand up for right. Don't give up the fight.
Salon be Kofi. Let's what the conduct of spiritually, Kofi. It is written on the wall
that
Baumia is the next president. Nothing will change. Nothing. Obey you knew. Kofi. Obey you knew. Inya Baumia su na Ghana yinya no su nipa Kofi. Kyerɛto wɔ sɛ Baumia ebeba bi bɔ memu akyɛ pano nkroma kufo adokufo jeje ne omunina yes we dey kyerɛto wɔ me say kyerɛto wɔ Baumia ade nyamede ne bɛyɛ wɔ Ghana we see ta make Kofi su ya tata in the America Ghana omunya Baumia so nipa bi this is a su flavor amamu a Baumia be bu ne Kofi.
Election way. What are the figures for first, second?
Yes, 50.9. It is equivalent to 51%.
50.9.
Yes.
For Baumia.
Yes. NPP will win the three Bruno regions. NPP will lose Greater Accra with 60 something to 70,000 votes.
To say Abanebe win a 88.
88 against 8 regions.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Three Bono regions in MPP Befa. Bono half of Bono East. Ashanti Eastern. Central region.
Yes.
Western region. Western MPP Afa. To one region here, Northeast. Now you say 8.
Yes.
I said, Moju.
Oh, my, say, oh, my, may answer me, my cancer, no, my second coma, your home, Abo home by Ali, and my many be declare Banu Mandi. first sign baby in Sunka Monday.
That main election.
Saturday.
And look, Kobe Echo 4 p.m.
Election 2024.
Yes, I tell you.
You better have a 7 later. Memenda. Kosiada. Ejuada. Oh, when I say
about no bet Kobe 4 p.m.
Say you two about Memenda. Kosiada Juada na Yabubono Ejuada 4 p.m. And you will be a sida.
Me any kuta me ni de nyamiama me huno de. Ali
tension beba.
Tension wa badim pa.
Okay. Party ben be winning. Ali one man ba obiane e mahama.
Me no mate se bi mo kaso omu emma ana omu to them they won't allow se ba omu edi mampanida.
Wo de won koma
me hubi.
Won koma eni wudi. Eni ehun ni se ese mahama de oti ba bi twen.
Ali 48.3 for somebody and 50.9 for somebody.
50 and yes somebody has one million candidate 50.9 for your candidate you ma wo.
Yes,
the 50.9 adwuma na wo ye na.
Me ka se nyame ani munyam se
how many did you write down the figure?
I say 48.3.
Yeah.
For high.
Any million that hono.
Letter M.
Letter M. Na say o ma be komu de say na wo do
aka. Dabi wo dey ko tun krofo akoma say letter M no. We are smart at.
Na
50.9 for letter B.
50.9
for letter B.
Ese sa be catch you.
Ali.
Dabi ese sa ya Ali say Ali adana sesa nti ba me meka.
Ali.
Afi seat na wo mani me be ko say.
Ali as I make assassin see ayeto aba na NPP ebe wini ewo wanchi. Open so the open bia Ali major me Land Cruiser am de ba e wo anim ho. On fane de meto so e wo Yesu di.
Wanchi. Wanchi NDC seat.
Yes. Me kasin ya to ne NPP be Jesus seat.
Koso.
O ma hinu obi wura Kumasi bia je so oni ani obehu se akra boni bi Kumasi ya because me nka say yo but that day me can asem bi trevi me opa ma sofo be trend nko hia no onti sama ba body guys nyina be bie ko enya bibia na me ka no se me ka asem bi okoko ma because ne body guys ni nyina anim se sebi be nyame tumi wo me so even him for we srem kura timi ka se wakra na de sebi nyame ensa won so and they know what I can do. Ali nya isemo he abawe ya yentunwie no me ka se nyame nkonkro ni monyam se yentu 2024 aba no enwie no ali ye behu omu anyame apagya wo mu pa ni wo mu nso ye behu se nyame nsa wo mu so pa enya no me ka se Ghana me na mabin bet ba o me anim se me ka se si ase o ntwa campaign so kra na wo Yesu Kristo di mali ba bi o wo bi o be free ho and they know enye difo ni difo obi won mo obia pa na na je omu hwe since 2016 sama mabeka makan some 100 na bia ba akupa mama then you are telling me say me a false prophet me nwa ni kura ekuta difo ni bi I tell you, I'm not saying I'm the only prophet of this nation, but here any ne kurana komfo not breso or hene bo ejase omumla mesenkuma enko obi go kwa senkuma me etwitwa asante 40.
Are you saying say D4 no a ehye enkom na em favor Dr. Mamudu Bawumia no omuni ani
menka se omuni ani ebetimi abase ye bo apayo ena ani so ye fra bibi familiar spirit here.
The question is say omo hu de wu no omo ye fake
menka se omo ye fake e bible mu e bi esi president
you say hu de ha adifo no mu bi so it means say omo no nkom na omo ehye no ene wo de no in favor wo candidate now support so you see say omo no de ne de enye yenkomtro
menka dem komtro
omo hu ade
omo na omo ni ani sana apade
barely election ebe expose asofo ne nkrofo bebre pa election we what ya won nkrofo bi wo honoma ali saa nwosra ne nyame de ade adom wo mu enipa dodo se na se o man ni mu nkom
angel
what you say ali say di for edos ye yakobe sebi na naje betimi aduru be 5000 e wo Ghana bebusa se omu a yenim omu a me akura bie ne won ma anali obetimi aka se nyame acha ne saa adom ne chen me da and gradually no me will believe e wo nyame mu na menim de nyame aka se I will inherit papa bempa and Sofo Victor Kusi Boate. I tell you, and they know once my back as mom will be a challenge obi onim bia nim se manum asem yoja and me kape be come from a honhom so di o ma no ebe som ebe ye bibi which I won't go there.
The Americans and Anasefa Dankwa, these elections, Nyame Aduma next year, will expose a lot of prophets. What the trotto? If we say
these elections will expose a lot of prophets next year.
Yes. What the Minian idea can be. Jesus and Hopa can be. If Papa Pamboa can be. If you was Zambia, Waka, me Papa Baku Opi. Kumasi or can be. Make me say a different year more than getting to 20 or be Papa John Mama and a baby. Say, Oshe Sebi, assistant money be there, air coswa. I'm here, son, I'll be coming. But, media men can be beer and what one who say.
Ali nyai somo he abawe ya yentunwie no me ka se nyame nkonkran ni monyam se yentu 2024 aba no enwie no ali ye behu omu anyame apagya wo mu pa ni wo mu nso a ye behu se nyame nsa wo mu so pa enya no.
Now a priest has gotten himself into trouble. A priest, this is what he says. Do we have a text about it? Okay, yes. So the priest says, Bawumia led NPP to win 2024 polls with 50.9%, with 105 seats, Kumasi-based prophets. The guy has put himself into NDC trouble. Because this is what he said. He said, if Bawumia leads the NPP, he will get 50.9 and NPP will get 153 seats for the 2024 election. Okay, these are the details. A Kumasi-based prophet who is famously credited with predicting election results accurately has once again prophesied victory for the ruling NPP in 2024 elections with the Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia as his flag bearer. Prophet Paul Kusi Appiah of the Charismatic Temple International Ministry located at Ayensua says the ruling party will secure 50.9 in the presidential elections and 153 seats come December 7, 2024. The NPP will surely emerge victorious in the 2024 election. Dr. Bawumia will be their flag bearer and he will win 13 regions out of 16, whilst the NPP will secure 153 seats to lead parliament. Prophet Kusi Appiah stated, quote, Dr. Bawumia will secure 64% of the votes in the presidential primaries by winning 13 out of the 16 regions he predicted. That's him. Okay, young man. Hey, young man, you like trouble, oh. According to him, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the NPP, Chairman Wontumi, holds the key to the victory of the NPP, adding that Chairman Wontumi will also take the mantle from Mr. Stephen Intim, who will only serve one term as the national chairman. Hey.
In two percent, say spiritually, no, President Mahama boy, you may be a so
I think his presidency is over. That is what I'm saying. Not really. Omube force the obada sema amako na mama mfechiri no di agro a obe waste ni sika kwa.
What's so almost sign your ban
apart from if or the nipa bi aba apart from a word akwa obe lusu. The Kenya me or the metia. Minim the America. Dapo is Ghana's 2033 president. 2033 president.
God have mercy upon us.
Me met me a bonny na porani me tachro.
There no so many years to come. Kenya man obetena ha bonny ni rani me actually.
Me nim could be a big president minim. Justin Kudia. He will be president one day. Only death will be to me minim.
Yeah.
only death and a bit of suicide. Me and spiritually no me din kan ba ha be kan se ba o me be first, second Alan, third Kennedy, fourth Akoto. Keti o free fine.
Yes, Antoa.
So free.
Just so.
Enti Yes, Antoa hon ma just one it so.
Yes, Antoa.
Yes, Antoa land no. Me no we mass.
MP John Kuma.
Yes, Antoa land no one it so. John Kuma. Oh yeah, they.
Or deputy finance minister.
Deputy finance minister. Yes, or near Duchumudia. NPP will win Asante region with over 1.3 million votes. Write it down. Over 1.3 million votes. Write it down. Yes, this is what is going to happen. Yes, 1.3. The votes of NDC will appreciate small, very small, as they got last 4 years. Yes, Kadoriba Sataya. NPP will win Western region. They will win Eastern with massive votes. As I'm talking now spiritually, it's getting 50-50 in Greater Accra region. Yes, NDC are leading slightly. NDC will win Savannah. They will with the Savannah any figure a Subia. They will win. Yes, Upper West, Upper East. They will win voter. And the voter MPP who votes there, and their figure is what 21 to 22%. Hotel region is going to be massive. Tsunami nebesi oti. Afeme the exact figures nebeba. Rasatara brekatori basandele brekata. Yes, region, but NPP will win Central region. Anybody. Any prophet should come out and challenge me. NPP are going to win Central region. NPP are going to. I have been there for 3 days. I have taught all the constituencies, and I know I'm coming to break down the seats that NPP are going to stand from NDC in Central region. Hallelujah. Rasatara bresata. Ene mobe Ukraine. Yebeko break asaba. And hallelujah. Here, any NPP member should watch out. This is what they are going to do in Kumasi Asante region. This is what they are going to do in Asante region. It's a prophecy time. They have sent their tax here, and they will use their tax. What tax? Omumetoments. So omun snatching ballot boxes. Abo bay 11 something now omuha. 2 Crawford 12 no empo mu be kan so a omu be try so mbe wie ballot boxes, and this is what a breaking news na me show bibia am sempre fo busa say woro prophet entenenka for 1 month in sense of course sompa enwane eni enko ba bia na emo mo hye nkom ye se ugina wona nkom hye na ye na djuma intina me ba me be kasisi ne nye campaign se kotuma me kanya me adwene enti egu akwankyere ne mpae so na me se eradi yankopon ayewie come on the 7th no ye beto aba na wie no 9th no nyame ba me yehu adifo wo manimu na eradi yankopon di ka hye nyame animu nyam se die wie mu aye wa santemamu wie mu aye wo manimu nyina no MPP edin kunim awie wa aba no Yesu di nyame bibia ntime sesa nyame nye nipa no wadi atro obi anka na kuma ntu ye MPP fo mu wura afie mu nya adwumaden nya mu campaign na edane dura mo nsore nkoto aba nyame nti Ewurade mama nim mu ase na Ewurade ba na din kunim bibia da din MPP be wi ni besa wi ni more ewo majority ewo parliament. It is done.
Oh my God! He because he broke. Oh my God!
Bibia no we bitimiti. Yes, nyame yegu so. Uhwe ni mu na wa ba mu say yes na me ekoso. E bibia na e be ka nyame aye awie na nyame enim ne ma na obeye amoma ni nyina abusi bronya e be ye dache bronya bia wo Yesu ti nyame shira. Amen.
The warrior prophet. The warrior prophet.
abusuafo warrior prophet atonaba awie odifo atonaba awie o say all share pleasantries sane nkofo nim no sa bebe penalty we dey mama mowrem na sima kakra bi na na yentimi empone yeminim kakra the warrior prophet
chama
we are god
yamiado
yada yango pass ene ejebo abato na dru mpacho so for mpacho bra so for mpacho bra beja papa che adawa akumazo papa ene yehwe ensemo awaka ne se wo so ba bontin ebeto aba uhunu atmosphere ne se
emphasize de dinkama nyame nyame na yebibia nye nipa besusu nipa beje be nyame de ne bepem nti se de wiema ye ne kire se nyame adi nkunuma ma oman no asomdwe ne ehwehwe na awurade nso a kire wiem se mama ya asomdwe ise ni ba bia ko oman ba ko aniwo nti CPPO PNC NDC NPP yin ba ko but alron aso nyame ne bedi hene amobi
right nyame bedi hene but yetie nsem awaka enye se nyame bedi hene keke yenum yeso waka wonsem efa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ho se ono na kianeke obedi nkunim na utie se nkofo so kan outsider wato ne yehwa enhyeda hunu nipa ne babru so omba beto enti sunsumu no enioma bekosa ne yamaka no
edru ba bia nyame mfa nipa dodo na yade edru ba bia so adi nipa dodo na yade ti nyame achoro no achoro edi mehuno na maka but erade nso a show me de me ka se wimbe na yesa to bia expect se ampa se de enkramofu ayi ne to wiem sa ne bisi
okay to ka si so dia se ento ama yento abanye na yankinkan na isi ebaba wonti abedi declare no na his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on the president.
Yes, me de me woni say nyaminti na kramoni ne du o man so nti
ati awuso
the Lord told me that for me to know and assure, and when the moon appear in the sky, it's a symbol that what the religion is man. All came to pass. So I was expecting victory, not other thing. But unfortunately, my candidate and the one that I was praying to lost the election.
No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing.
Let's all support the incoming president of Mama. He has just 4 years. Whether we like it or not, whether we like it or not, he is the one that the Lord has given to us. So we have to support him in prayers and everything. So everything that he wants to do for the nation will be successful. But I'm assuring you, I have a thick skin. And I know for sure that I have been defeated this time. But next time, the Lord will make a way. I'm assuring you that Appiah will contest again.
Continue.
And we will do everything. The things that didn't go well spiritually and physically, I know we are going to work on it. And Appiah will bounce stronger. And I personally will also bounce stronger. The church will move on because everybody knows that the Lord has given me a rare gift and a rare power from the Most High God. So no shaking. No shaking. Let's move on.